he acts like it's still in there, and I don't know how.
Central last unit. 10-9.
It's
Call
okay.
Central. Start me first responders if it comes to car wash. I've got a young child choking.
Is it out of your throat, baby? Is it still in your throat? Yeah, okay.
Okay, gotta get it out, buddy. Bend him over, so that count on his back.
Bend over.
What's he having in his back? Huh?
Huh?
What's he having? What did he take?
It was a sucker, but there was, oh no.
Quarter.
A quarter, babe.
Is that it?
Can you breathe now? Can you breathe now? Is that all you put in there?
Call Central, were you clear?
What else did you put in there?
Unit with traffic. Central's clear.
Huh?
Okay, I've just got trying to do a Heimlich on him. I got a quarter to come out of his mouth. His face is still pretty blue. He is crying now though, but go ahead and have him come check him out.
Well, clear. Is this County 12?
Affirmative.
It's out.
I want them to